Hey everyone, it's Alicia, and today I'm joined by Guy at Parcel BI. Guy, how you doing today?
Well, it's a crazy time, but I'm doing great. How are you?
Good, thank you. So in this video, we're talking about Parcel BI's User Connect webinar. This is something you guys are working on. It's really important right now, and I want you to tell us a little bit about why it's so important and the purpose of the webinar.
So, in today's world of restricted travel and disconnection, we thought it would be really important to fill that void of the trade shows and different conferences where shippers could gather and collaborate and learn from each other through virtual communities. And so we created User Connect, which is a place where we are bringing shippers together, users of Parcel BI together to discuss how they use the tools and the issues they're facing so that they can learn from each other. So we bring them together to learn. So not only to learn about Parcel BI and the best ways to use it, but also to learn from one another on issues of the day, how they're dealing with COVID, how they're dealing with challenges with the fluctuations in shipping volumes and things like that, as well as show them the latest features and functions of the tool to help them make sure that they are using the tools to their maximum capacity. And we also want them to stay connected. So stay with the software, continue to get the most value out of it, and again, develop that sense of community with each other so that they can have resources beyond their own company. So really have a platform to share experiences, best tips, and so on.
All right, guys. So with these webinars, we've already talked a little bit about how your customers will be able to see the different Parcel BI updates that are happening, and they'll be able to use those and make sure that they're using their software to its maximum value, making sure that they're getting everything out of the program. But what else can they experience in these webinars?
We provide an opportunity for them to share how they're using the tool so that they can learn from one another, so they can address different needs within the business. So there's a lot of discussions and people sharing their stories, the Parcel BI stories and their BI journey. But also, we have discussions relevant to the topics of the day. So this past webinar, we talked a lot about COVID and the impact that's having on businesses, the way they're approaching it, the way they're dealing with challenges, and we actually have a group, a LinkedIn group that's exclusive to Parcel BI users so they can continue to collaborate and carry these discussions on after the webinar.
Okay. So then my last question is just that. In the future, moving forward, how do you expect that the User Connect webinar is going to help your Parcel BI customers?
Well, first off, it's going to keep them abreast of the latest enhancements in the software. It's always changing, and we take in a lot of user feedback, including from these webinars, and we build those enhancements into the tool. So we'll be talking about the latest features there, but also really bringing up the topics that the users are requesting to talk about, whether they're related to specific data in the tool or generalities, in the market today. So, and then we're going to continue to have these on a quarterly or bi-monthly basis, depending on how everyone's schedule is working, and we'll be driving content based off of user input.
Okay. Well, thank you for telling us a little bit more about that. And I think the most important question here at the end is just if someone's watching this and they know that they want to be involved in these webinars, how do they go about it? Is there somewhere for them to sign up, or can they just kind of hop on?
Well, the webinar is exclusive for Parcel BI customers. So the first thing they need to do is take a look at Parcel BI and decide if it's right for them. And if it is, and they're interested in not only fantastic tool that will help them save, but also being part of this community, then we can take the next steps and help them start a no-risk month-to-month subscription.
Okay, wonderful. Well, if that sounds like you're watching this now and you are interested in Parcel BI and you'd like to find out more, you're going to want to get in contact with Guy and his team. You can do so by giving them a call or just explore parcelbi.com a little bit more to learn about the software. And if you have any questions, you're going to want to reach out. Thank you.